Welcome to Delhi, where the streets smell like burnt crackers, incense and regret. Post-Diwali, the city transforms into a post-apocalyptic zone with an AQI that could probably power a small spaceship. The air is so thick you could carve your initials in it. Visibility is approximately 10 meters if you are lucky, 5 if unlucky. Your friends might appear like ghostly silhouettes. You get a respiratory workout. Forget the gym, just breathe here and you'll hit your cardio goals. Sunlight is optional. The smog decides if it wants you to see the sun. Gear up with N95 masks, expensive air purifiers and hi-fi measuring instruments like PM 2.5 measurer, etc. Expect a life expectancy discount of 5 to 8 years if you party outside without precautions. Chronic coughing is the new trend. Join the club. Demons are totally eradicated due to the air. Humans, slightly endangered. And last, but not the least, congratulations for all the Delities to finally get attention from the WHO. And after all, surviving post-Diwali Delhi is basically a badge of honour. You're not just living, you're thriving in a toxic masterpiece.